Hey Sammy, what's up?
Yep,
What you got there, man?
Kinde and Trash Pack.
We continue to open eggs from our Kinder Christmas tree, yeah?
Yeah.
And we have some stuff like a trash pack we found for a good price and we bought it, yeah?
Yeah. Open this.
This first?
Yeah.
Okay. What is this, Sammy, actually?
Trash Pack.
Trash Pack UFT or something like that. Oh, what is that, man?
Yeah.
Something like, I don't know, is it a spinner or something? Sammy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let me check it. Okay, that's the parts we found. We found one trash pack like that. Scary guy. And as I saw on the package, you put this guy there.
Yeah. Two.
There are some numbers or something. Don't know why, because you actually put it here, yeah?
Yeah.
And that's the...
three dash
What?
put and three dash put.
Aha, that's the way you put it.
And three dash. Oh no.
Look, Sammy.
Like this.
Yep.
Yes. And
Actually, for a long time.
then.
Okay. Then you press this. Sam, you want to press? Whoa, 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 whoa!
Oh, oopsie.
Yeah! Actually, you should have more than one, I guess, and they can kind of fight against each other.
Yeah.
Yeah, you like it? Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah, something like that. Okay, Sammy, let's open some eggs, yeah?
Man.
Okay, one.
Man, open, man.
Open. It's still going under. Ooh. Okay, and what you got there? A hat.
No, a hat.
No?
No.
A Jewish hat.
No. This.
Ah, you throw it, yeah? Yeah, that's the stuff. That's why we call it Jewish hat. Sometimes. But it's not a hat, really. That was the first toy, the first egg. Let's open some more, Sammy. Kinder Joy now? You got it?
Yeah.
That's cool, that's cool. Okay. And what you see there? What?
A new man.
It's not new, it's something about play with water, yeah?
No, new man.
Water spinner. Yep, that's what we got there, you see? And you put water inside and then like that. Yeah, the water goes out. But we didn't put, of course, the water inside. Okay, Sammy, next egg. Oh, Sammy's eating the chocolate.
Tea.
The third one, yeah?
No, tea.
Three. What you got there?
Turtle.
Hot Wheels car?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we had it something like this yesterday, yeah? Exactly the same?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the Hot Wheels car we got. Yeah, we had car like that yesterday, but they are cool anyway. Next one.
Something this.
Something this. That's a snake.
Check?
Snake, yeah.
No. Hey, shooter.
Shooter?
Yeah.
It is not a shooter, Sammy.
Shooter.
Sammy, please.
No, shooter.
It's not a shooter.
Shooter.
Show me how it's gonna shoot, man.
Something like that.
Yep, that's the flyer. And yesterday we had a frog 2 times, I think. And here we have a snake. That's the snake. Yeah. Hey, sneaky snake.
Chicken.
How many eggs do you want to open today, actually, Sammy?
4.
4?
Yeah.
So we already done? We opened 4 eggs. Now we need more.
5.
Even more because, you know, we have still plenty eggs on the Christmas tree. So we need to open some more, okay?
Yeah. 6?
6? Maybe 11?
No.
No?
I know. 5.
Okay, whatever.
No. No egg.
No egg?
Yeah.
Oh, Sammy, another trick.
Yeah. No egg.
Okay, so bye-bye.
No.
It was funny?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ow.
What you get there, Sammy? Black Panther?
Yeah.
Of course. Yeah, I recognize because it's hard to get it off.
Yes. Oh.
You got it? Baby Black Panther. Yeah, that's the baby Black Panther.
6.
6?
Yeah.
Yes, actually it is the 6th one. Here we have 2 mice. They are dancing, maybe, or hugging, or just playing together. Lubu lubu.
With the king, big one, king man.
What?
King man. Oh,
What? Oh,
animal.
an animal, but new one?
Yeah.
Actually, it is new one. Yeah, that's the flyer, and actually it's the same series like Black Baby Panther, and we have a baby this. What is this? I have no idea.
Yeah. No idea, big X.
But you can read what is this actually right there. And it is from Australia. Okay? And that's the baby something from Australia, yeah? Isn't it nice?
Something dash egg.
What, Sammy?
Egg.
You opening another one?
Yeah, egg.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, broken chocolate.
Oh yeah. What is this broken chocolate? What you found this time?
Dash.
What is this?
Dash.
Another hat?
No, wait.
One for me and one for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the trying stuff. Sammy,
Shooting.
you shooting?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, next one.
9.
9.
Something dash.
Something this. Interesting. Paintbrush, Sammy.
It's paintbrush.
You have a few of them, actually.
Blue and yellow.
Blue and yellow paint, yeah?
Yeah.
Sammy was right. You see there, blue and the yellow paint, and the dude is yellow, and that's the brush. Yep. Okay, Sammy.
10.
10. Wow, we getting there. We getting there. You got it?
10. Another.
Oh, you must be kidding me.
Yeah. Another hat.
We have a Jewish congregation here, or what?
Another hat.
3 hats we have now?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Mommy, Daddy, and me.
Oh, that's good. Good, Sammy. 11, yeah, that's the last one? Or you want some more?
Yeah,
You want 11?
yeah.
Okay, so that's the last one.
There's 11 and 10.
And the last egg today.
Whoa. What is this?
What is this?
Yeah.
Exactly, I don't know what is this.
Yeah, there it is.
Okay, let's check the flyer. That's something you can use outside to throw or kick or something. You see? So we have two parts, like that and something like that. Yep. And now we do stuff like this. And then we put this inside. Oh. Okay, and here we go. That's our toy. I think it's nice for summer, not for winter. But you can play inside as well, you know, you can kick it or something. And it's supposed to be nice, I guess. So let's check the toys again. That's the stuff we just saw. That's the Hot Wheels car, pretty cool. We have some figures. This Australian stuff. And this black baby panther. We have a paintbrush, kind of water spinner. Paintbrush, yeah. Snake. And dancing mice. And UFT Trash Pack.
And Trash Pack.
Trash Pack UFT, yeah?
Yeah.
It came from UFC, I guess. Okay, Sammy? And that would be all for today, yeah? Okay. Please subscribe. And comment, yes.
And comment I love and bye bye. See ya. I don't subscribe.
Yeah.